popped it off.
Right, that white thing has to be popped off.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Alright, this is a Herut 10.1 cubic foot refrigerator
like
freezer.
Moseying out.
Probably need a screwdriver and pop it off.
Well, did you get a new screwdriver? Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Oh, I thought all the tools were still in here.
I don't know.
Neither do I. It'd be nice if the other person would come over and help. But what if you...
Ah, my fingers!
I'm
Thanks.
sorry.
Alright.
Alright, so...
High thing.
Yeah. That's the condenser. We're really, really hoping it's not this. That's going to be super expensive to replace.
No.
This part was like $40. And it came with all of this mess. And since we have no idea what we're doing, this should be interesting.
Oops. No,
All right.
oops.
All right, we need to stop and actually get all the tools. We need a Phillips, which actually we have the screwdriver, the drill in here with the screw.
It goes up like that.
Yeah. All right, we'll figure it
There's
out.
instructions on the side here on how to... Oh, look, we can see it right here, too. 1, take a screwdriver, jab it up here. 2,
Just jab it in there.
move the screwdriver down so this pops up. And 3, do sweet.
You see?
I don't know, like, it's just too sweet.
All right, so let's get the tools first.
Flathead.
Close enough.
Close enough.
Let's see if it makes a difference.
Not even close enough.
Well,
You better be remembering where these things are coming off at.
Yeah, these ones came from
we
here.
have a video,
Yeah,
so...
and who's... Okay, this is the old one. This is the old one.
And these ones came from here.
Well, I was going to put them all over here, but okay. Yeah, we do have replacement parts for everything, don't we?
Yeah, it's still not cut. This is not doing anything.
Maybe you just have to give it a good yank. Black hair.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I could see was black.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
How many Texans does it take to change a fridge?
We as professionals. Something just fell on my back.
He's got a bug. What is this? Oh, that's what that is. Never mind.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now we see this. Maybe this has to be unscrewed.
It looks like this is part of the screwed into the compressor and not the housing. But it's holding the screw is holding cables on.
It's the bottom that's giving us the trouble. Look. Okay, the bottom, it looks like it's these things.
Yeah.
So, which means you need to pull it straight out. Pick
Oh,
it
I
back
see.
up and pull it straight out.
They click.
Oops, that was a little too far back straight up.
Yeah, you put it.
All right, so we didn't record it last time. This is how I removed it.
This is how.
Except it came off like first try. This doesn't happen, I swear. This is a first.
No, it's a second. It's only the
What?
second time. Not you.
Okay, seriously, the moment she stopped hitting record, it just went pop, and it popped right off.
Remember, leverage.
There we go.
All
That's
right.
what it did.
Okay, now then. I need a light.
No, that's not going to work.
B, and I can start using them as nunchucks.
The problem is, good sir, is that the back end won't let go. There it goes.
There it goes. That's good. That was probably the whole thing right there.
All
the
right.
back end. Yay! Finally.
Now, imagine, if you will,
The magic of incompetence here.
imagine, if you will, putting it back on.
We'll get to that bridge when we burn it.
More like we'll burn the bridge when we get to it.
Okay.
Oh!
All right, so the
Okay.
silver thing. Find all the connections
That's this
for
one.
the relay thing. Yeah, because that's the same color that's on it.
Yep. Okay, this one is yellow and green and held on by a screw. That's yellow and green and held on by a
All right,
screw.
so that's got to come off.
Sherlock Holmes taught me deductible skills.
No,
Okay.
your deductible skills are not.
Well, actually,
Because-
it is the yellow and green that have to come off.
Oh, yep, okay. So yeah. Does this move? No. So be very careful touching that because I don't know what this is.
That one's a dead thing. They use multiple. I'm assuming, judging by how this looks, they use
I
multiple
was gonna say
compressors.
everything is off, so
Ting.
Thud.
Okay, so that's the new screw. So put this with the old.
that's the old screw.
Ow, why did it hurt my finger?
Why are you plugged in?
Because on you.
What? That doesn't even make
I
sense.
don't know.
Today I learned.
Okay,
My
so
legs are falling asleep.
So do we have a wrench for that one?
Well, there's a screw there that you can.
Well, but if you look here,
Yeah.
this is the yellow and green that we need.
yeah,
The yellow is also plugged into here.
yeah. That's why I was like,
Oh, that's the whole bank.
Yeah, that's the whole thing.
Yeah.
You need to pull the whole thing off and then re-plug in everything that
and that's
was
why I'm
pulled
trying to
off.
figure out how to. It looks like it should just come off because I think
I don't
that's what
think
it
we
was.
need to pull the whole thing.
'Cause
Oh,
right
we
now-
do. We have to
We're-
do it.
Right
yeah,
now,
we're-
it looks like it's like this. Yes, this is how it is sitting right now. So this black guy needs to be. Wow. I am so sorry. This
For what?
the black plug needs to be taken off.
This
Oh,
one?
stop being all super hypersensitive crap.
Oh my gosh, you hurt my feelings like a toad.
No, I just said this black guy needs to go. So that's why I said, oh my gosh, I am so sorry.
Okay, so
That's
this
a lot
big
of.
black cable.
How many of those have to get plugged into the new one?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Well, this one needs to be moved over.
Well,
Okay,
first you
And-
need to take the
These two greens,
relay-
apparently,
or
yes.
the other thing off.
I
too.
don't understand what they do, but apparently they.
The
slash
only
through
plugs
stuff.
the only plugs that will stay on this are yellow and green and blue and brown.
Yeah. So
This blue will be removed.
I need to remove this black one.
Yes.
Oh, I feel delicious.
And then the white cable
She likes
and
to
this
destroy
blue
things.
cable.
And take things apart.
Nope, I can't remove the white cable.
It's screwed on.
Okay.
Those
So
two are
both of
screwed
So
those need
these
to be
two?
unscrewed.
Please.
on. You better be remembering which way these go. These goes.
We have a
Yeah.
video, love. Black is on bottom, white is on top.
Kinky.
Mmm. Ow, don't strip me. Stop, you're stripping.
It's stripped.
So who's stripping here?
That's gonna be an issue.
All right. I don't need a
You don't
flashlight.
need the flashlight. Just get
Do we have a rubber band?
No.
No,
we
we
do have
don't.
strip screws.
He has tools to take care of it, I think.
I always forget where this guy's located.
Handy dandy multi-tool.
Because I found out if you take a rubber band and you put it there and then you do it, it
Yep,
works.
I've used
And I
it
was like,
before.
Oh.
tell me how you feel. Are you okay?
You're gonna have to hold it.
Yeah, there it goes.
There goes the static dog.
White wins, black loses. Where'd you put the other little baby screws? That's
It
it.
just fell.
I was like, where is this going? Aunt Jemima's beard. Oh!
Jeez.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
What?
Bat!
What?
The bottom one goes, the top one stays.
You
Well-
did the wrong one?
I was grabbing the cord.
I mean, it's trash anyway, so.
Oh my gosh. Multi-bottom feeding.
Are you sure it goes?
Yes.
Because look at this one.
I
This
can't-
blue
I
one
see
is.
white arms.
Oops.
Well, then move the camera, darling.
This blue one is not here. This prong is empty, blue guy here. This
Okay.
prong is empty, brown guy here.
Oh, this one is moving. Give me your children.
I just had a brilliant idea.
What?
I have a hobby vise. I can clamp the vise to like here, and then clamp the vise on this.
So you need to take the pliers and grab it here. Whoa.
Watch out for the wire cutters, please.
They're way at the base.
Okay.
The only thing she's in danger of cutting right now is this guy here.
And chickens. Ah, nope.
Like I say, I'm also a little worried about ruining the connection.
Yeah.
All right, so...
Because that's one of the cables we have to keep.
Yep. Oh my gosh. And...
All right, is there anything actually
it's a
holding it
standard
on?
Connection.
I mean, is there
No.
something...
No.
Okay.
It's just like a...
It's a standard,
Look. So...
there, right here.
Okay.
That's why I was like, it's just a standard connection.
So the one we're trying to get off is this bottom bit here. There's nothing holding it. There's just...
Oh, do you get it?
He's magic.
All right.
I ruined the shot, but he's magic.
Well, that's all right. Because
Yellow
All right.
stays.
at this point, we may have to do two.
Hold on.
One of the short version and one for those who want to hear our ramblings. Okay,
Ow.
can you stop playing music? And
Okay. This blue one. And that's the last one.
tug of war.
Am I pulling you?
Oh,
There we
you didn't
go.
break it, did you?
Nope.
I don't
Okay.
think so, because I think I realized right here's a grabbing point. You don't want to
Alright.
grab this because that'll compress it and make it hold on tighter.
Yeah.
All right.
And then back here, you'll just slide off. So I
So
think
now
this
the
is a grabbing
cylinder itself has to
Nice.
come out.
Yep.
Which, do we have a wrench for that?
Need a long nut wrench.
I was gonna say, have you even tried to take it off?
I mean, the ratcheting wrenches by the tiller would be amazing right now.
Okay. Yo, don't break nothing. I need this. Is this... Who told you you could be a chicken? Sit down. Thank you, sir. Kiss. Thank you.
Husky break. Okay, back to...
Don't break huskies.
No, I'm not breaking that.
Okay, this is all the junk. So move the
Alright.
junk over here.
That's hopefully the trash one. Because if it's not broken...
Hey, why is
then-
there a loose screw hanging out back
Feel
here?
that. They feel different weighty. I'll feel this one.
There's just a loose screw hanging out back there.
Feels a little heavier.
Well, that's either part of the... It's part of this set, see?
Oh.
Or it's the old one and...
So
it's
which one's
sitting-
the old one? Which one's the new one?
Okay, this is... No, this screw looks older because this one's nice and shiny and this one is not.
Okay, well then...
That's-
Either way, it
that's the
doesn't
new
matter. as long as
capacitor,
we get it-
right?
Yes, she's got
Yep.
the new one in her hand.
Okay.
Alright, so here's this now.
That
Now-
went down. These white things face down.
No, because these were facing up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need... Okay, white was on top. I remember this bit. White was on top, black was on bottom. And we had the blue... Wait, where's the brown? Because I remember the brown went down here because this is the one we were goofing with.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I don't know if it matters if it goes upside
The
down.
blue
or not.
went above the other brown.
Well, I don't know if the
No,
scrolls...
no.
Okay.
Those just hold the contact. So long as metal is touching metal, you're good. That was really easy.
I'm going to let you know now. It just pops right in.
That's how they're supposed to be. I think they're actually called quick disconnect.
Okay.
Yeah, they
So
were
the blue one went here, right?
Yes. I'm fairly certain.
Okay, and the black one then went back here.
I think it went on the top, right here.
Oh, the top.
Yes. Ooh. Yes. I was like, wait, one black one was... Oh, no, that was the other connector. But yes, one of them
Okay.
definitely went up there.
Now,
This guy screws in to this plate. So
Okay.
he goes on last. Right now, though, I'm going to undo these two so
Yep.
we can put the others in. Theoretically, I don't have to do them all the way. You can just
No.
go ahead and put the white one in.
white goes in.
That was my stomach. Sorry.
I doubt it.
Oh, somebody's being regal. Are we making his fridge for him?
Yes.
I apologize. I thought it was my fridge. Apparently, it's the dog's fridge.
Well, he's a husky, and this is Texas, so he needs to get cold somehow.
I feel like that video somebody had of, you're tight. Thank you.
Whoa.
Okay, where did these go?
That doesn't sound like a video that would be on YouTube, but you never know.
Where did this one go?
Where did that one go?
What is that one?
It was attached.
Where?
Maybe here?
No! I think it was with the other one on this one.
You think?
Okay, so it was these two.
I think both of those were attached to the same one.
Okay. So here we go.
Hey, deja vu.
Plug it in. There's a plug. You know, I didn't
Yep.
even show that there was a plug.
There is
on
a
the
plug.
Side. Yeah.
And there are 3 prongs here. Let me see if I'm in the camera. There we go.
Yeah.
3 prongs here, so please match them up. Because if you do it upside down, you're just silly.
I mean, if you're able to do it upside down, more power to you. But
It won't fit.
as I said, if you're
All right.
able to correctly do it.
Now we get Strongman McGee.
Who?
All right, fine then. I'll do it. Oh, hold that compressor.
I would
'Cause
say, you moved the fridge. Who's Strongman McGee?
I don't
Hold
know.
the fridge.
It looks like it's almost all the way in. I don't know if it goes in anymore.
It might pop in when you put the other piece.
It went in further, so.
Well, yep, that's as far as it goes. And if you can see, you may not be able to see, there's no prongs showing now. That's good. And we forgot to, this is just hanging
He
out.
just took my phone.
You were at an angle like this. You couldn't see the prongs anyway. You gotta
Yeah.
like move down to like.
Yeah, it's right about.
Okay.
It's the angelic choir of awesome.
Okay, now we're gonna put this in. Boing.
Is this the new one or the old one?
We shall find out.
No.
Hopefully.
You know, it'd be funny if we just put the
'Cause if it
exact same
doesn't-
compressor back on it.
No, it would not be funny.
And
No.
if it
Hey, I
doesn't,
took this apart and, oops.
yeah. Don't get me fingies.
Get your fingers out of the way.
Nope, you're turning the thing.
Yep, that happens.
Well, if you hold it, she can ratchet.
I don't know how to ratchet. Just.
Yep.
Yeah, just keep going until it's tight.
Oh, I feel that. Oh, I feel that. Okay.
Maybe you should become a mechanic.
Yo, power tools give me. This isn't even a power tool. This is just a regular tool, and I feel so empowered. All right.
You think
Now-
you think that regular tool makes you feel
I have
empowered?
to shift positions because my legs. are
Okay.
not
Now, what
enjoying
was the
this.
screw that went here, Tim?
Now you go ahead and feel empowered. Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
All right, screw the other wires back in. We're not even putting it up until we know this part. If
I put it
not-
up.
If it's the compressor, we're gonna have issues.
I don't know what screw went there.
I don't know if we can replace that.
Yeah, I don't.
compressor. The little one with the thing.
It was these little guys.
I thought those guys went to the box on the outside.
No, these guys went on the box on the outside because they had fun spurks on them.
It's one of the lock washers.
Yeah, because you had to unlock it in order to screw it off.
Yeah. So. Oh no! Full
All right,
of
put your
everything.
put your wires where they belong.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember. Do you remember where they were?
Do I have to stop and go back? And look
I don't
over
think it
there?
matters. It's a solid metal piece. So
Okay.
wherever they connect, the current's going to go through anyway.
Well, I just want to make sure because there was this hole and I was like, wait.
These are the
Okay.
ground connected here. I think
Oh,
that's for a
okay.
different model.
Okay, so,
As far as I know, they were both
Put the
connected
longer
through the
one
same
on the
screw.
farthest side.
But
well, I'm trying to get them.
I can say, were they both connected on the same screw? I
They
don't
are-
remember. They're on the same metal bracket, so
Okay.
they're still going to
there.
share a current, but we have 2 screws here, so.
Well, one was the old one, I thought, and one was the new one.
I don't know. They look about, this guy looks shinier.
Why don't you put them over the screw first and then put the screw in?
Mother.
What?
Mother.
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 We are working here.
Mother. Mother.
Don't tilt the screw down. They're just falling off. Like
Do
snow.
not make sense in my presence again.
I'm trying to meet you. It's a short cord. It don't go far. So what's the purpose of these 2 cords then?
There's some functionality they have.
Who knows?
All right, if all the cords are connected right now, can we test the fridge?
Yes.
Okay, then let's test the fridge before we do anything else.
Remove anything like the drills.
Here's
or
one
whatever.
screw. Where's the other screw for the housing?
Oh, you'll have to plug it in, Tim. Because the plug's next to
Or
you.
just plug it next to you.
Oh, okay.
Because I think it's a regular,
Yeah, pull it
it's
this
a
way.
regular 110 outlet. And then we have to wait for it to do all that stuff.
Unplug the machine. That's the vacuum.
Well, this has been a knife video so far.
All right.
That's
Well,
a
that
lot more
sounds-
noise than it made before. It would just click before. It sounds like a fridge now.
Hold on.
Can I just appreciate the irony of this? The fridge, which is... Listen to it.
I think it's working.
I don't know. This is the freezer, and that's not very cool.
Well, you just turned it on. Do you feel cold air coming out of the fan?
Well, it sounds like it's only just now gurgling to life. Like it was making the fridge buzz, but now I hear like things moving.
Turn it all the way up on the in the bottom, the temperature control in the fridge. Did you put that back into place?
Yes.
It is all the way up.
Okay.
I want you to hear the difference. Okay. This is the freezer. You hear the fan?
No.
No.
Y'all are deaf.
Well, we're on the wrong side of the fridge, so...
Does it feel like cold air is coming out of the fan?
Yes.
Like, actually cold, not the slightly colder than room temperature cold that was before.
I just heard it.
Come
Before.
over here and you try, because I don't know if I'm feeling right. I mean, we may have to wait like 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, could your phone screen be any more shattered?
It could be.
Wow.
Well, let me open the door first before you go.
It's hard to tell. I
That's
think
what
it's
I was
it's just slightly cooler than lukewarm. I don't know.
But there's like no fan in here.
Okay, but we're hearing movement where we weren't hearing it before.
it was just a soft click and that was it.
And
This is actually doing something.
It actually sounds like a fridge with the noise.
All right, well, unplug it so we can put it back together again, and then we'll have to wait.
And the fridge has sad times all around.
Well, I'm waiting for it to stop moving before we do anything.
I'm a snake charmer.
You mistake.
I say that right after I say, oh, that's sexy.
Well, I was wiggling the cord around in front of the camera. And
I
then
started
she took
to
it from
peel
me.
the plastic off of the front here and then stopped and put it back here. I was like,
Mommy, you put
It's
it
still
back.
moving.
Yeah,
it's unplugged. So.
I know, I can hear the movement.
it's winding down.
All right, you will
that's
get your
been
phone
there.
off the floor.
I didn't realize I was going over.
All right. So all that has to go back on is the box.
Yep.
Yep.
That's the fun one.
All right. So
No.
I've got like.
Ah!
What are you doing? Please no. Hey, don't step on me. You have boots on, and I'm.
Oh my gosh,
have
you
shoes.
hit me in the head with your phone.
I hit you in the head with my fist.
Oh, you did.
Sorry.
That was glorious. Okay. So it wants the cables.
Both green cables went outside as well as the electrical taped cables.
But the white one did too, didn't it? Maybe the white one down here?
No, one of you should have taken pictures, I think.
Oh, the white is part of the electrical tape. Oh, no, that white one.
Yeah, it's this white one. I think this was.
That's why it's fun.
I think this was over here because it was black with this one, and we were like three black cables, and I was trying to get them all out. And you're like the black one. I'm like, they're all black. So.
Oh, there's the other screw.
See, it would work wonderful if we just had this part completely out, because then we could work both ways.
Yeah, it looks
So,
like it should be able to be done.
recommendation,
Just twist.
If
just
you
twist this.
can, remove this part from the rest of the fridge to work with. That way you'll have a
It looks
better...
like you just twist the steel, pop it off, put it back on, twist the steel.
No, that's
No,
to
that's
get
a
this off.
compressor.
I'm saying this
Oh.
bottom bit.
Oh.
Because it looks like it's just held on by like 4 screws, so...
No, you don't. If you turn your refrigerator sideways, you need to wait 24 hours before restarting it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's screwed up.
You
see, it's screwed up.
All right.
Screwed up into the walls.
You're a nut.
All right.
She's gonna bolt.
Can we finish, please?
Oh no.
What did you do with it? Oh, it's right here.
Yes.
Beehive.
Movie quotes for the win.
Ow. I'm trying to sneak them through here, but I'm awkward. Tim, can you get these?
Yes.
Thank you.
Or maybe you work together and do it. Since I'm doing nothing here but videotaping.
You're the camera
Wacky.
girl.
You have like the hardest job ever. I feel so sorry for you, poor soul.
Seriously, you have to actually, record where people can tell what's going on. You actually have the hardest
I failed
job.
on that in a good portion of this because people kept moving in front of me and I was like, do.
What do you mean by that?
And do.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What was that? I'm sorry.
Everyone in the comments is going, I just wanted to watch a simple tutorial video.
But she's gonna upload two different ones. You have simple and then the lengthy one where you get the
I
humor.
have to learn how to edit. I don't know how to edit.
I have a video editing program that I downloaded and have never tried to use. So that could
I
be
can
fun.
use Windows Movie Maker.
Welcome to YouTube in the 80s.
Oh, the fun part is getting it off of this phone. Because I have to use a program to move it over. It's a pain in the butt.
That goes down in there too.
Yes, but it's angled upward.
That's
And you
fine.
have to manage not
There you
to
go.
crush anything and all that.
I don't know what she
Like
said.
my hopes and dreams.
I don't know what she said, but let's shove this thing on here.
Let me get a good view here.
Wow, does it really just...
Lock in.
No, it doesn't lock. No, it doesn't lock in.
Lachlan.
Lock in.
Now you're turning Scottish. What the heck?
Turning Scottish, I think. See, it doesn't work. Yeah, it has to be I'm turning Japanese.
Yeah.
There's something happening in the bottom, and I can't tell what.
Taco Bell?
I don't know. Oh, really?
I'll have you know, I've had Taco Bell several times, and it's never elicited that response from me. It just doesn't.
Not for other video things. While they're deciding. We have a husky.
Oh man, I really screwed the pooch with that one.
Tim,
Help your
you have a
sister.
better view, so I'm trying to figure out what is getting pinched. Because it's down here that's causing the problem.
I'm doing contortions so he can get there.
I'm doing booty pops so I can get down here.
They're called twerking now.
No. Booty pop is a single thing. A twerk is a succession of things.
Not necessarily, because if you twerk, it's just boom.
So you're just making sure that it's all
Not
the
pinching
cords are out
nothing.
of the way.
We're making sure the cords aren't pinched, because you never want to pinch your cords.
Oh,
What?
it's locked in place.
Oh, it's locked in place?
I can't guarantee the integrity of the cords.
No.
Yeah, you just popped it out.
Oh.
Well, remember how?
Oh!
That's what I said. It's locked in place, and then you popped it out.
Gravy.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
All right, now
Yay.
this is supposed to go in there, too.
And
which one went
wait,
first?
the little one went first, didn't it?
Yes, because the little one went here to hold this one in.
Make sure you.
This isn't the screw that goes in there.
Did you reverse the drill already?
Now the question is, did I reverse it or did I forward it? The drill is in reverse. Because we're undoing everything we did.
Let's not mention anything just yet.
Do you know this is going on
Trust
like a
me.
45-minute video?
It's upside down.
Shh, I know my life choices.
Good. At least you know.
Wait.
Because
I'm pretty sure.
So I have to make two
Okay, I
copies
see.
of
Okay,
each
I see.
version, right?
So this guy goes in here.
Mhm.
I think these were supposed to go in here with this one. If you look.
see, I thought
It's
one
got
green went into
sections.
one, but this yellow. Oh, that's yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
It's yellow.
Yellow.
It's yellow.
The white cable looks like it has plenty of room.
So maybe we can.
Where's the device? Yes. You had it in your hand at the hotel.
Epic fail.
That's why I was like, you hold that there. I squish your fingers.
All right, I like this arrangement.
Move that one out of the way. So that way I can set this in place and now see if you can wiggle it back. Yeah, like that.
Just push it. Just push it. Just push it.
Nope.
Make sure the screw doesn't go through it.
I can't do anything because I need to move my leg and Mom's on it. Thank you.
What
Like
is,
us, like
the
us, like
cables
us.
are
I'm gonna get a
holding
good view.
position, but they're getting stuck on something.
They're getting stuck.
Because if you let go, they're actually holding their position.
There you go.
See? But when I go like this, it's squishing. I mean, I realize that's kind of the point.
I'm gonna name this the worst YouTube tutorial ever.
Want to repair a fridge? Don't watch this one. We do it, but it takes us way longer than it should.
Well, we hope we do it, but it did sound
No,
like
no, no. The misadventures of... Stop that. Stop. I thought I saw a red spark over here. Which doesn't make any sense, but... Alright.
Oh yeah, electrical fire extinguishers. This camper needs one.
Yeah, it needs an ABC extinguisher.
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. You read the irony of this? It's a refrigerator to cool things down, so they use flammable refrigerant.
Yeah, wait, what does it say? Risk of fire explosion. Flammable refrigerant used to be repaired only by trained service personnel. Do not puncture refrigerant tubing.
Which one's refrigerant tubing?
No.
I just want to show what not to do.
Your sister will cry because she needs...
Hey,
One of these was new. Just wait.
Oh yeah, we ended up with a lot of extra screws.
How did you end up with extra screws?
Well, those who watched the video saw how we did.
get to the point!
Oh, Lord.
Oops. I didn't put my screwer thingy away.
Alright, so plug it in and let it run for a little bit and see if it cools down. If it does, then we fixed it. And
Can we put it away first?
Yeah.
Thank you.
yeah, and if it's still busted, we gotta pull it all the way back out again.
That's fine.
Alright,
Why do you hit
well-
yourself in the head?
my head itches and I don't want to
Alright,
scratch it because
fine.
I'm wearing a
How
hat.
long does it need before we go, okay, it's good?
When it's cold inside.
Yeah, pretty much.
30 minutes, 1 hour?
I
Probably
don't know
24
how.
hours.
I don't know how good this refrigerator
I
is,
will,
so
I will withstand it for the sake.
plug it. Well, you're gonna have it. That plug
So
is
where did the
very
rubber
awkward.
feet come from?
They were with the new part, and I don't know what they're for. Can we
Right
not ruin them just in case?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
So apparently, yes, we were supposed to take that entire thing out too.
Well,
Hey,
that's
Gunny.
just that probably would have been a lot easier,
Gunny.
but was he at the window?
Oh, but he was looking at me.
Hi, Gunny.
Well, you got a lot of.
Ow! Ow!
Are you okay?
You smashed my foot between her water and your boot.
Why would you do that?
All right, so these are okay. This part is trash.
Oh, I
The rest of it,
So did I.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, let's put that back on too. The rest of this needs to go in a bag or something for future refrigerator repair parts.
That was easy.
Yeah, it was
What
really
happened
easy
here?
to take it off
How
too.
did this happen?
It's got to be turned.
No,
she's all like, so plug
This
it
is
in
cool, and I want to
carefully,
attach it
'cause-
to something. Just even though it does nothing, I just want to attach it to something because it looks cool.
Oh, I'd throw it in the
If I
trash
scream,
personally.
I've done something bad.
Don't scream. I don't think that's a GFI outlet, which is
Okay.
something we'll
Well, the good news is I didn't electrocute myself plugging it back in, which is
see.
what
That sounds. That
Wait.
doesn't sound like it did earlier. It sounds
No,
like it's
that's-
actually working.
Like all before it would do before last time was just click. And that was it.
I think we fixed it
Alright, we'll
because
find out.
replacing it would have cost almost $500
Well, the
because
problem.
it's a residential fridge, not a
Wait.
camper fridge.
You said it's not plugged into a GFI outlet.
I don't think it is.
The way this camper's done, go figure it.
I don't know. We'll have to get one and unplug everything
if
and
I go
redo it.
figure it, I understand this.
All right, let's.
Okay.
We're putting it back into place, and we have to level it, and we are done. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Really?
We're just gonna leave it on the floor first, so that way we know it's.